Blessed by the divine.
Dear Vedatrians, today we have Sky Professor Ranganathan sir to enlighten our soul by the topic Purification of Genetic Center, which is an important topic of Guru Vedatri Magrishi. Before that, I would like to introduce Sky Professor Ranganathan with all my pleasure. Sir has served in Indian Air Force. He worked as assistant manager in State Bank of India and retired now. Sir has joined Sky Yoga in the year 1999 and rendering his services for the past 20 years. I cordially welcome Sky Professor Ranganathan from Bangalore Sivajinagara Sky Trust to give the divine speech. Be blessed by the divine, sir.
Okay, thank you. Be blessed by the divine. Good afternoon, all Sky participants and those who are in the Zoom meetings. I welcome all of you to discuss the very important subject of our Guru, beloved Guru Vedatri Maharishi, and that is the genetic center, which is also called a Karumayam and Mooladhara. Now, this is a subject where we are going to discuss. This is not a spiritual talk. So let us interact with our subject and understand and purify our genetic center to lead our goal, which is the salvation whereby we can reach our destiny and merge with the one. That is the absolute space. Thank you. Now, what is genetic center? Genetic center is the one which is the full proof authority for the existence of the whole universe and complete human living beings and non-living beings on the universe. Now let us talk about the genetic sector in the living beings. That is the each and every, all the living beings has got a physical body, astral body and causal body. We know the physical body is combination of Panchabhutas. Number two, the astral body is the formation of life force particle in all the living beings or the existing, which is rotating throughout the body from the day of existence till the last breath. So astral body is the one which has the life force. Then we have the genetic, that is a causal body. Due to the rotation of the life force, the magnetic wave, the biomagnetism generated in the human being or the living being, it is keep on rotating and it has a it it makes a, it has a specific gravity and it is as a vertex which is called for example sometime we must have seen in the outside the air is rotating and complete dust are coming out and it is forming the form shape of the cone. Or other example we can say, if you take a water in a bucket or in a sea or in a river, you must have seen suddenly there will be a wobbling rotations, there will be a hole. The water, the exact in the center of the cone, the force, the heavy particles will form there. The heavy particle will form and it will go to the center of the place, which is in a human being, in a human body, it is called the center of the body. That genetic center is in the center of the body. If you measure from the head to toe, vertically, horizontally, the center portion of the human being or the any living being is called Mooladhara or genetic center or Atma or soul, whatever we call it. Now we should understand the whole universe is linked with the genetic center of each and every living being in the universe. The human being genetic center is linked with the globe. The globe genetic center is linked with the whole universe. That means the present existence of the universe, the souls are interconnected. Hence, all the living beings, the human body, we are all one and one connected to the each and every genetic centers of the body. So that means Whatever that happened from the starting of the evolution of the universe till today, till this time, we are all interconnected through genetic center. That is, the genetic center has originated from the one sense to sixth sense. Each and every transformation, the millions of years took for the formation, the transformation, the evolution. Now we are in the stage of the human being. Now we are discussing our genetic center. Genetic center is connected already, as I said, it is connected to the globe, then a universe. Now the genetic center, the life force, or the quality of the genetic center is purely depend upon, again, the number of life particles, the life particles, then the biomagnetism, then thirdly, the Swamiji has already given the sexual vital field. Every time the life force rotates in the physical body, when it comes back through the body, when it touches the SVF, it takes the energy and rotates through the body, whereby it supplies the biomagnetism, which is having. Now, quality of the imprints in the life body, that is the quality of genetic imprints in the life force or sexual vital fluid. For example, the quality of the husband and wife or the male and female as a contact, then the baby takes place, baby birth takes place. At both the action of this, the karmas, what they are holding in the physical movement, now it is being transferred to the child. At the same time, the complete evolutionary process from the one to, as on now, the sixth sense, is also transferred to the baby's Muladhara. And another one is depend upon this genetic center for the baby or the human which is taking birth, is the planetary positions. The places and planetary position also takes the position of the human, which determines the quality of the genetic center. So quality of the genetic center, why we are all suffering today, means in the genetic, or the human being is suffering, or the whatever we can call it, the harming another living beings. That is, in Tamil it calls vadaithal, killing another's life, kolludal, stealing others' property, firar porul parittal, snatching away the freedom of others, other living beings. Pirar வாழ் சுதந்திரத்தை பறிதல். These are the four main cause for all the human being, where the problems are there in the contaminated genetic center. This is the main cause for all the things happening in the present position. For example, all the genetic centers are affected. That is the reason where we are suffering today, where we are also having the COVID, which is the collective thought, the collective corrupt, or the bird imprints in our our genetic center, which is the action of the divine, whereby the COVID is existence from last 6 months, and still the people are suffering in innumerable number of people. Again, the quality of the genetic center depend upon heredity. Heredity means from my birth to the last 7, we call it 7 janmangal, 7 generations. Even after, it is not the starting of the generation, it is the existence from the universe. Whatever that happened, everything, every moment, whatever happened in the existence of the universe is recorded in our genetic center, which affects our quality of the genetic center. So the good, bad, whatever done by our ancestors, or the animal imprints which is existing in us, which is existing in me, and which may be existent in your souls, in your genetic center, but it is existing 100% existing in my genetic center. So this which contaminates this quality. Again, the food habits. The food habits, what we take, is also the affecting the quality of the genetic center. One may say, yes, I am a pure vegetarian. My father is a pure vegetarian. My grandfather is a pure vegetarian. Yes, I accept, I write it. But what about your past generations? Previous. They all armed other living beings. They taken the non-vegetarian food. They killed other animals. They taken the right. Whereby which we are, though we are not doing the, we are not eating or we are not taking that food, but still we are suffering. This is the main cause is our ancestors or whatever is there. Now again the thought. There's so many thought, ancestor thought, my thought, so many thoughts are being affect the quality, it affects the quality of the genetic center. Again, action. Thought, word, deed, actions are also affecting our genetic center. The planetary positions. Planetary positions also affect our genetic center. The quality of the genetic center directly depend upon these all the things. And natural calamities. Natural calamities means now we can see the North Karnataka is so much suffering from the rain. It is really very bad for us. The water, natural calamities like tsunami, water. You can see in the California regions, the complete fire is there, forest fires. In Australia, Victoria sites, the complete forest fire. And we often see in our coastal areas, that is in Orissa or Vishakhapatnam, the wind blows at the speed of 150 miles away and complete destruction takes place. This also affects our quality of the genetic center. And further the accident, same, this is the same. These are the 6 qualities which affects our this one. And again, mind is the final transformation of genetic center. The brain and sense organ, the whatever we do the actions, out of these our sense organs, the good or bad, each and every moment of our physical body is purely recorded in our general genetic center, whereby nothing we can say. In our normal term, we say it is a Chitragupta. Chit means prana, Gupta means secret. So whatever we have written in our genetic center is absolutely, there is no this one wrong in recording in it. So every experience, action in the living being gets composed and stored in the genetic center, become the character of the individual. So today my character is purely depend upon the genetics, what I have in my genetic center, which reflects the thought, memory, and lifetime passes through the heredity. But one thing is there, we call this as a fate. That is the heredity, what we have got it, we call it as a Sanchita karma and a Prarabdha karma, which way we do it from age of 3 till today. So this both Sanchita karma and Prarabdha karma joined together, which makes the personality of the man. And we also call it as a fate. But one more thing is there, our Guru Vedatri Maharishi has given a choice for us to change the fate. So Vidiyai Madiyal Velulam means you can change your fate by doing the our meditation, awareness in your thought, correcting your habits, correcting your food habits, not harming others. These are the methods. Further, we are going to discuss about this. So genetic matter is invariably connected with the universe. One we should know. Now, now what imprints is there in the genetic center? The frequency at which recorded will come out from the genetic center when the same frequency matches. So that means so many good things we have done, but sometimes bad things are coming. It is there in the genetic center, it is coming out of that, and it is projecting our character. And we must, though we may have done or may not have done, but again our past generation have done it, and whereby now it is coming out and repelling and shows the through us. Genetics center is conscious of the dense of the biomagnetism, the life force particle, and the sexual vital fluid. The function of genetics center is we have to accept that it has an attractive force and repelling force. Whatever the experience and enjoyment, thing, good, bad, everything is recorded minutely, very, 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 very minutely. It is recorded in the genetic center, which we call it as a. Though the human is created a computer, but super computer is the God-given genetic center, which nothing can escape. But only God is the operator, or the Almighty is the operator. As and when required, it will eject it from there and retrieve it and feel us happy or sorrow and there. So by we have to accept the cause and effect system of our nature. So what we provide, what we nurtured in our genetic center only will come out. Then we have to understand very well. So imprints come out from the genetic center as per the frequency of the mind. May affect now or anytime. Please, it is very, very important point one has to understand, or we will discuss it. See, the thing happened maybe before 4th generation, which is coming out, which I have done at the age of 5 or 6 years, which is coming out. So the time limit for the genetic center or the thought come and the action, there is no time limit, certain time. Yes, I have done it today. It will come out of 5 years or 50 years. No, it may affect in my lifetime, or it may affect tomorrow. It may affect next year, or it may not be. It may be for after another 2, 3 generation. That's why we call it. I have not done anything. I am so pure. Why God should punish me? See, from the age of 3, I have not harmed anybody. I have done nothing to anybody, but still harm is going on. Still I am suffering. My dear friends, we have to understand it is not done by us. It is our great fathers have done. So it is our duty to give the clear genetic center, clear Sanchita karma, pure genetic center, pure Sanchita karma to our children's. Okay, now I am 65 years. My children are grown up. They have already born. I have grandchildren. Now what I should do? You may all have these questions. Yes, it is there. But again, the Swamiji has told, as I said, Vidhi Madhyal Valalam. As far as possible, we have to render the good deeds, good action, good thought. Keep on doing, keep on doing, keep on doing good. Service good, and without any expecting. Naturally, one out of other, the genetic center watch is there in the impurities in the genetic center may slowly, it will get depleted. And there are lot of changes in our lifetime or in our future, our children also, to get purified. So this is a process in our lifetime. We have to keep on doing. Though we have not done it, it is given by this one. So as per the attractive force and repetitive force, they keep whatever the thoughts, soul செயல் எண்ணம் எண்ணம்மால் சொல்லால் செயலால், the thought, word and deed, what we have done, it will definitely come out. We have to accept it. The only thing here is we have to accept 100% what is coming out of that. We should never repent for the suffering of today. Please. Example, the genetic center, how it get imprints. See, if we are seeing one aeroplane or any object, which I have seen before. When I traveled to US before 3 years, I've seen a big Cathay Pacific aircraft, and I traveled from Hong Kong to San Francisco. I completed my journey, return journey hall before 3 years, but it is coming out now. How? The same way, the thought force, whatever I have seen, it is imprinted in my brain cells, and it is imprinted in my body cells, it imprinted in my genetic center. When I extract the same imagination, it comes from the genetic center and comes through our mind, and we are able to visualize. In the same way, whatever the action is done, it is from the big or good or bad, whatever is there, it is recorded in this one. Both are retained in genetic centers. So which makes the personality. Genetic center is the court of justice. Swamiji very clearly says it is a court of justice. One has to accept the judgment from the court. That is the divine, the output from the genetic center. You may not accept the judgment given by the judge in the Supreme Court or the High Court. You may argue, you may file a suit, you may do whatever you want as per the constitution, but it will not work in our genetic center, because genetic center or the Supta Gupta or whatever Karumayam is never does any mistakes. Whatever we put, that only is there. Nothing is new to be there in the genetic center. So genetic center and the brain have a direct connection. Everything goes from the genetic center to the brain and comes out on the same way. One should understand the quality of the genetic center depends upon the quality of the action that one does. The bad action get a bad output, bad imprints, good action get a good imprints in the genetic center. Again, the characters that transfer to the children, which result in the behavior of the children. Today, my children is behaving in a different way. We all say, yeah, why you are doing like this? Why do you are so mischievous? See, we all parents or a grandparent should understand, it is not the child's mistake. It is our Xerox copy is acting there. So we have to, it is a mistake of us, or the character, the child or the grandson or the son or a daughter characters purely depend upon the parents or grandparents or ancestor grandparents, etc. So we have to invariably keep on thinking. Hence, what is the outcome? You have to give a pure soul, pure transformation to the future generation. This we should understand. Okay, my dear friends, now time is leading, and we will just go a little faster. The harming of others, killing of another's life, taking away the other's property, snatching away the freedom of life should be very, very controlled. All the continuous, for example, the conflict between the husband and a wife, boss and the employee, conflict between the nations, one nation to the another nation. These all because of these all the four reasons whereby we are harming others, killing another's life, taking away others' property, snatching the freedom of others. This is the reason where we are suffering. So we should streamline our characters, and we have to purify our genetic center. It can be done through our meditation. The purifying of these 4 points can be done through our meditation, introspection, and yoga practices, whereby we can clear clean our genetic center. Now, what are the blemishing agent of the கருமையத்தை கலங்கம் படுத்தும் செயல்கள்? The desires in the increases the mental way of the frequency and decreases. அதாவது நிறைபெறாத ஆசைகள், எவ்வளவு நம்ம இதுல இருக்க நிறைவேறாத ஆசைகள், it is all will create a havoc in the genetic center. So we have to curtail our desires, which will impure our genetic center. Then telling lies, பொய் பேசுதல், telling lies. If you keep telling the lies, Mathematically, your genetic center contaminates, the hurting others and suffering because of their curse. Hurting others, sufferings, their curse. பிறருடைய துன்பம், பிறருடைய சாபங்களை நாம் அனுபவிப்பதனால் நம் கருமையம் கலங்கப்படுகிறது. So we have to be very careful. And jealousy, anger and vengeance. பேராசை, சினம், கடும்பற்று, jealousy. And going against the nature of the food habits, as we already discussed, the ஐந்தில் அளவு முறை, 5 limit and method in the 5 habits, 5 things. We have to be very, very this one. We should not mingle in excessive or less. So you have to be very careful. These are the things also affect our genetic center. With a good education, prosperity, and selfish of lazy in the sense. Now we'll go for a, what is the way of purifying this genetic center? We all are having, now we have to search for the reason. What is the steps to be taken? So the thing for the purifying the genetic center is, one should respect one's parents, teacher, king, or the leader and Almighty. One should respect one's parents, teachers, leaders, and Almighty. Follow the moral value of the duty, consciousness, and charitable. That is அறநெறி வாழ்க்கை, morality, duty, and charity. ஒழுக்கம், கடமை, ஈகை. Do introspection, தற்சோதனை, introspection, daily keep on doing that introspection and develop the concentration in the mind to get the answer of all questions. See, today I have done this. This is the why this thought has come from my genetic center. This is the bad thought. It will go into action. No, I will superimpose over that and I'll make my genetic center purify, and which is whereby purifying only the impurity genetic center, God will not accept. He will close the door when we go. So he will again send back to the Mother Earth, or we may have to take rebirth, or we have to just keep on hanging in the sky. That is, there are 3 stages of our, where the lives are there. And do the physical exercise. Our physical exercise, we know, we all know, we can remove our heredity imprints, whereby by doing our education, physical exercise regularly, which regulate the blood circulation, air circulation, heat circulation, life circulation, biomagnetic circulation, whereby we can eradicate, remove our heredity diseases, heredity imprints. These are the one. Protecting and raising one's parents, life partner, children, and care. We have to protect. It is our care to protect, our duty, care to protect our parents, life partner, children, and care. Remaining in the close association with the nature and Almighty. This is very, very important. Because the nature, we have gone a lot, we have given trouble to lot to the natures. இயற்கை வளத்தை நாம் எல்லாம் இது பண்ணி, now we are suffering. That is the thing, the COVID has come, which is the collective bad imprints of the genetic center. The Almighty has sent his messenger to make us all right, to realize the fact of the other person, and also made of the same nature blossoms and he himself. For example, my dear friends, I'll give one of my example. In my lifetime, what happened? I was staying in the IT quarters where the robbery took place. The complete money and gold, everything was vanished in the daytime when I was in bank. When my son came and looked at the house, it was broken. The cupboard was broken. Everything was vanished. Nothing was there. It was a great shock for our family. We were unable to digest it. But one of the friend, like you all people, took me to one astrologer in the JP Nagar. Then I told my this one, you could find out. Then after 10 or 15 minutes, he gone back. He said, Mister, it is the problem created from your grandmother's mother side. My mother's mother from another their mother. Something they have done which is replicated here. See, during their lifetime, they did not have such a amount or such a gold or whatever is there. The place where we had I came from that generation. I had here, somebody came and knocked off. He told, ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾತಂದವರು ಮುತ್ತಾತವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. So this is the one of the example where there something happens in the past, heredity, the sanchita karma, which can reflect to me or my grandson or my future grandson, whatever is there. So today my suffering is, it is not a suffering. I have to accept gladfully that XYZ has done, which I have took a birth, and I have to face it. So like this, each and everything we have to keep on accepting. For example, if somebody gets a problem, XYZ is giving a pain to me. What I do, I protect that. I to be safe. When I protect or when I revoke, further I contaminate my genetic center. And my impurities, what is there inside, the person who came here to purify me, instead of getting purified, I'm protecting and adding one more contamination to my genetic center. So God sends other person. Okay, this man is protected, at least go and purify. He comes with for example, it is one example. I may be having the one shirt which is having some this one dirt. He came with a normal soap to clean my shirt. I did not allow him. God will send other person to go with a rinse soap which is having more soda. Even then also I am protecting. Next time what will say he will do? He will take my shirt and put it on the stone and try to remove my strain. This is the way we have to accept. Now, for example, my dear friends, whatever the problem is coming in our life, please accept. Otherwise, if we revoke, again our genetic center will contaminate it. So this is a very, sometimes we may not accept the thing what has happened, but it is the thing we have to follow it when we are in the path of the Guru Vedatri Maharishi. That's why the Swamiji is telling bless the enemy if enemy who is coming to purify your genetic center. He is the instrumental. He is the God sent messenger to purify your genetic center. This is where it matches him. See, our Guru is so, this one, we can never, this one, so correctly matching. The God sent messenger to remove your genetic impurities from this one. If you don't get cleaned yourself now, it will go to your children. So the problems has to be accepted. There is one more thing. Last 52 years, I'm running away from one of my chap. He is not allowing me to go off. Wherever I go, he is following. Wherever I go, the complete mental torture, I'm facing it. Whereas I don't even look at their face, but still they just follow me. So these are the thing imprints, which is our genetic center. Now we have to open our eyes. The person who is coming and giving me the trouble, live in divine bliss. Live in divine bliss. This is the one method we have to use, and we have to get our genetic center purified. So henceforth the time is up. I took a 5 minutes extra, madam. So
Yes,
I
sir.
just to conclude the thing because that subject is still further deep subject. We have to conclude with a time, and now we are going to conclude this one by I gratefully thankful to each and everybody. Please let us follow the Vedatri Maharishi principle and get our genetic center purified. Let us understand what is genetic center, and let us use the tool, the blessing tool, and let us lead our life to reach the destination goal. We have got a very, very good Guru. Hold his hand. Let us walk together and do the service to the society, nation, world development. Be blessed by the divine.
Be blessed by the divine, sir. Thank you very much for your inspiring speech. You simply explained very well what is genetic center and how we are getting imprints, and how we can eradicate it. It's damn sure it will be very helpful for all of us. Dear friends, now the forum is open for discussions. Please click the hand raise button in your Zoom app to ask the questions. While you prepare for your questions, we have few important announcements to make. Today's program in Kannada, evening 4:15 Turiya meditation, 4:45 World Peace Blessing 108 times, 4:55 p.m. Sky Professor Gauri will be delivering speech on religion of duty. Tomorrow afternoon in Tamil program, Spirituality in Social Life by Assistant Professor Bhaskaran Sir. Tomorrow evening 4:15 p.m. in Kannada, Arulnidhi Sujaya, Knowing the Mind. Now you can go ahead with your question answer session. Please raise your hand accordingly. We will unmute you. Rajeshwari ma'am. Rajeshwari ma'am.
Sir, வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். Live in bliss, madam. Tell me, ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಡೌಟ್ ಒಂದ್ 2-3 ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ.
ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗಾದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸಂಚಿತ ಕರ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಎದ್ದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಳಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
ಹೌದು ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅದು ಒಂಥರ ದೇವ್ರ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಅದು ತಾನಾಗಿ ಅದು ಎದ್ದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದು.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇದು ಕರ್ಮ, ಇದು ನಾವು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
we are in maya madam.
We are in maya, correct.
We are revoking, hence we are suffering more and more.
So only due to sanchita karma only we are suffering, not now ಮಾಡಿರೋದಲ್ಲ.
Prarabdha karma also we have to take into picture, madam. It's not only, it may be from prarabdha karma or sanchita karma. We have no decide. Because it is recorded in the genetic center, we cannot analyze. Or if we have done it, we definitely know I have done it. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Naturally I am aware of the thing what I do. So in future I am not, but what I have done is recorded and I have to suffer.
ಬಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು 3 ಕರ್ಮಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇನೆ. ಅದು ತಳಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು, ಮೇಲೆ ಎದ್ದು ಬರೋದು ಒಂದೇ. ಒಂಥರ ನಮ್ ಜೀವನವೇ ಅದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂಥರ ತಿಳಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ ಸರ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ತುಂಬಾ 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 ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು ಮೇಡಮ್.
ದೇವ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು. ದೇವರ ದಯೆ, ಗುರು ದಯೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್.
Jagadishwaran sir, you can unmute. Jagadishwaran sir, you can unmute yourself and ask the question. Jagadishwaran sir, you can ask the questions. You can unmute yourself.
Thank you, madam. Sir, I am glad to hear your speech on the topic purification of genetic center.
Yes,
that
sir.
is Karmaimai Tuimai.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is really an inspiring speech which every one of us has to follow.
Yeah.
This is the first time I am hearing your speech in English language. So far, I have heard your speech in Kannada as well in Tamil. Very good speech, sir. Really, it's very inspiring speech. That is, you have given in English language. May you be blessed by the divine.
Thank you,
Thank
thank you. Thank you, sir.
Sir, Velusamy sir, you can unmute yourself and talk with sir. Velusamy sir, you can unmute yourself and talk with sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
வாழ்க வளமுடன் சார்.
ஐயா வாழ்க வளமுடன். Be blessed by the divine.
வாழ்க வளமுடன் சார்.
ஐயா வேலுசாமி from மத்திக்கரை.
ப்ளீஸ் டெல். தெரியும், சொல்லுங்க சார். வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது சார்.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க ஐயா?
Very good one. Really, we have been taken to our olden days, and we have been reminded of how to purify our genetic center.
Yes, sir.
So my doubt is, suppose now I am purifying all my genetic center by doing good things or some service or whatever it is.
Yes, sir.
Maybe that will not be so so good, but something we are doing it.
Yes,
And
sir.
you know this, how it will affect the home, because now I already got son, grandson, and great grandson. So to whom this will affect us?
Sir, there is no place where it will affect. It may affect your son or grandson or somewhere, but definitely it will affect. But to transform that, one has to change his fate by using our Swamiji's method, by exercise, meditation, introspection. Certain part we have to climb, but the certain something we have to accept it and we have to realize. அனுபவித்தே ஆக வேண்டியது. ஏன்னா சிலது something will be very very strong which we cannot dilute it. There we have to but only the degree of suffering may reduce.
It will be decreasing.
Decrease. Degree may reduce because of your good deeds. நல்லதே செய்யறதுனால அந்த பவர் கம்மி ஆகிறதுக்கு 100% சான்சஸ் கண்டிப்பா இருக்கு.
ரொம்ப நன்றிங்கய்யா. வாழ்வுடன் ரொம்ப நாளைக்கு பிறகு இந்த இது நம்மளுக்கு எல்லாம் எண்ணெய் சேர்க்குது. அது ஒரு நல்ல இது. அவங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் ஒரு நன்றி சொல்லலாம். நன்றியுடன் அந்த குடும்பத்திற்கும் be blessed by the divine sir for your good service. Continue please.
Be blessed by the divine sir. Sir, time is crossing.
Yes,
So we can conclude the session, sir. Okay, sir. Before concluding, we would like to thank and bless Professor Ranganathan sir on behalf of WCC Karnataka Zone on his enlightening topic on purification of genetic center. Let us all come to Thuriyam state and let us all bless together. Professor Ranganathan sir, be blessed by the divine, and his good health, be blessed by the divine. His loving family, be blessed by the divine. His divine services, be blessed by the divine. All the members who have participated today's program, be blessed by the divine. All Sky Meditation Centers in Karnataka Zone, be blessed by the divine. Our beloved WCC Karnataka Zone President, Dr. Dhanapati sir, who gave support to organize this program, be blessed by the divine. Our beloved WCC Karnataka Zone Smart Vice President, Srimati Dr. Vijaya Dhanapati, be blessed by the divine. See you all tomorrow at 2 p.m. Now, World Peace Prayer. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
The rain may pour on all parts of the world timely and sufficiently. The food grain may grow abundantly to the satisfaction of all living beings. The leaders of all nations may progress in spiritual knowledge and do good services to humanity. The world may enjoy happiness and peace. The world may enjoy prosperity, happiness and peace. Peace, peace, peace. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
உலகமெல்லாம் பருவமழை ஒத்தபடி பெய்யட்டும். உழவரெல்லாம் தானியத்தை உவப்புடனே பெருக்கட்டும். பல தொழில்கள் புரிகின்ற பாட்டாளி உயரட்டும். பகுத்துணர்வில் தொகுத்துணர்வு பண்பாட்டை உயர்த்தட்டும். கலகங்கள் போட்டி பகை கடந்தாட்சி நடக்கட்டும். கல்லாமை கடன் வறுமை களங்கங்கள் மறையட்டும். நலவாழ்வை அளிக்கும் ஞான ஒளி வீசட்டும். நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும். நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும். நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும். வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன்.